So, outfit for the day. Ano ba sasabihin? Di kita eh. Ayan. Ayaw, hayaan mo na siya. So, ayan. Punta tayo sa Aramco compound para sa ating Christmas party. Hindi ko alam kung nasa ng aking mga friendly friends. So, yan. Today is December 20. Mag-aano tayo? Christmas party natin tonight. Kanina kasi nag-decorate kami doon sa bahay ni Ate Venus. So, shout out Ate Venus. Saan kayo?
Alam, nasa kabanda, nasa labas kami.
Sang labas? Sang labas?
Ay, nakalabas talaga.
Ani nga.
Pinababa ng bus nyo.
Sabi na, okay, sige, lalabas na ako. Sige na, bye-bye. So, ayan. Dito na yung sundo, charot. May driver. Hello guys! Dito na kami sa bahay ni Ate Venus. Medyo madilim dito sa loob. So, ayan. Lamig! Hindi ko alam kung ano naging video natin, guys. So, bahala na. Kailangan may ilaw tayo. Mukha akong multo. So, ito yung aming, backdrop. Ayan. Tapos, itong aming mga gift. Nakakita na Twitch.
Ethan, come here. Meron na yung awal nila. Pala nila. Kaya pala may doon, may position doon, yung pagkain. Ano yung pwede kainin nyo? Kaya nang humugasan ko. Hindi, ayun o. Para sa bata.
Solve na lang tayo, ano?
Dami na talagang nawala.
Sauce ba ito? Yan natin sa malapit sa cordon bleu. Yan ang sauce yan.
Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. How now hear the angels sing, a new king born today. That man really forevermore, because of Christmas Day. Trumpet song, the angels sing, listen more, they say. That man really forevermore, because of Christmas Day. Whatever wants, they float by, they see a bright new shining star. They hear a choir sing the song, the music seems to come from afar. How now hear the angels sing, a new king born today. That man really forevermore, because of Christmas Day.
Nasa isang buwan. Kanina pa yun nandun.
That man really forevermore, because of Christmas Day.
Ibay. Bukas ako matulog. Grabe.
Where did the white line? Sabrina, sa'yo ka na.
Ay, talaga.
That's it, ah? Kasama kita sa alit. Kasama kita. Kasama kita alit. Balance. Ako sa gitna, Day.
3. One more. Okay.
Let's see. Guys, are you ready? Don't put it yet, madam. Later. In the count of 3. Okay? No, don't put it yet. You're gonna put it on 3. On 3. Okay, not after 3. On 3.
They are playing.
1, 2, 3.
Anong gagawin?
1, 2, 3. Go! Okay. out.
I want to win. Ano na ba yan?
Okay, the challengers.
Another group. Ayoko niya, ayoko.
Who's the second group?
Dapat pala mo ba yan tayo maglaro? Ay, bakit?
Wag mo muna nilagay.
Kayo guys.
Guys, sali ka! Oo ka!
Girls,
Dali na.
who's the second group?
Ben, Ben!
Ang layo niyo masyado. Please hold the tip.
Join.
Please hold the tip of the line. Tip
Oo,
of the
mag-join,
line.
join.
Tip of the line.
Join.
Pwede isang ganun yun lang. You can twist it one time on your finger, but one time. Guys, please think. So you will be Team Angels also? Okay.
Yeah!
You're gonna be Team Reindeers and Rudolph. Okay.
Team Angels, go, go! Team Angels, go, go! Team Angels, go, go!
Kaya ka ba? Wait.
Sobrang takot kasi ng
Girls, you're gonna put the candy.
Dahil masira yung ilong! Wag na yun! Ito siya!
Wag ilong ang pagkabit ko. Kaya wag ilong ang panula.
Okay, you're gonna put this on the count of 3, okay? On 3. Ready? Don't put it yet. Put it down, girls. Put it down. Put it down. Ready? 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Yay!
Who's gonna challenge them? Hindi ko ipaglaban pa kayo.
Challenge! So, the prize is
Iba ba yung kanino?
ganyanin natin. Bakit siya natin?
Group number 2. Who's gonna play?
No, we're the Team Angels. No, she's not Team Angel. Melia! Madel, halika! Melia, halika! Oh, yun. Ikaw! Madel!
Girls, ladies, women, group number 3. Okay, dahil. Ano lang, konti lang. Ay, may matadalang na lang. Dahil mo muna konti nito. Okay, stretch. Hindi kasi dapat gitna, dahil. Hindi kasi gitna. The bottle, okay? Remove the candy cane first. Ready? Yes, this side will be the candy cane. Still the same name of the group? You will not change? Oh, Angel, Reindeer, and Rudolph. Okay. Put down the candy canes, please. Put down. Ready? On count on 3, okay? Ready?